Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer CRM activities into Google Workspace. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring CRM activities into Google Workspace, first, ensure you have access to log into your CRM platform and navigate to the section where your activities, tasks, or notes are stored. Select the activities or tasks you wish to transfer. Look for an export option, usually found in the settings or under a More Options menu. Choose the format for export, commonly CSV or Excel, as these formats are compatible with Google Sheets. Download the exported file to your computer. Next, open your Google Workspace account and navigate to Google Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank option. Once the new sheet is open, go to File, then select Import. Click on Upload in the Import menu and choose the file you downloaded from your CRM. Select how you want to import the data. You can replace the current sheet, create a new sheet, or insert the data in the current sheet. After importing, review the data to ensure it has organized correctly. You may want to format the columns for better readability, adjusting headers or data types as necessary. Now, if you need to integrate these activities with Google Calendar, open Google Calendar in a new tab. Create new events based on the activities you imported, ensuring to fill in the details such as date, time, and descriptions. To streamline future transfers, consider using automation tools like Zapier or Integromat to connect your CRM with Google Workspace. Set up the necessary triggers and actions in these tools to automate the syncing process. Finally, double-check that all activities have been accurately transferred and that you have access to them across Google Workspace. Your CRM activities are now successfully integrated into Google Workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.